So you know that saying, early bird catches the worm. And I want to say something, that it's not always the case. It's because you're early doesn't always means you will be able to catch the worm. You're early doesn't mean you'll always get the good stuff. You're early doesn't mean that you'll always be number one and stay number one. Because this world is so vast that anything and everything could happen. So what you do not force it. Do not put too much wish or hope into anything and everything. Because when you hope, it's only a wish. And a wish is only something that is not fixed. Because nothing is fixed in this world. This is why the world revolves around you. The world does revolve around each one of us, regardless if you know it or not. Anyone and everything and anything and everywhere that we go, people, place, and things that happen for us in this world happens for us for a reason. And I want to give you an example. There's one time I went with a group of friends to have food, and at the end, everybody is trying to fight for the bill. And of course, at the beginning, I was thinking of paying because it was going to be my last time seeing them. And intuitively, I know. But they keep fighting, and I try to talk to them, and they don't listen. They didn't even hear me. And they were fighting for it, and I saw a chance, and I took that bill and I snatched it out of their hand. It was so easy.